Well, you know how we did all new transmission line? Well, they're leaking there and there and under the truck. So, looks like I'll be tightening that up some more. But other than that, it's running. So the next time I start it, I'll go set the GoPro up. But yeah, nothing else is leaking. No gas lines, thankfully, yet. Hopefully, that's old. That's WD-40. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so, well, she runs. Finally, I'm actually feeding off one tank because I haven't put the unit for that one. And I need to, because this tank was for fuel injected, so one is level, one is fuel pump. We disconnected the electronic fuel pump, so we don't have that issue of the fuel pump trying to run. It's just straight. I'll fix that after. But we gotta buy new grommets and connect them so it's more permanent. New fuel lines. So that's very nice. Still need to do the inner fenders. New rad support holds good. Had some leaks here, and the transmission leaked with the new lines. That's solved. So that is good. Well, solved. I think I tightened it up more. New dress-up kit. Ooh, these are warm. New dress-up kit. I decided to get a plastic fuel filter so you can see the fuel. Full of fluid. Yeah, the dress-up kit came with that too. It's very, very nice. So yeah. Thankfully, I have tanks now and they work, I think. So, that's my fault. So, they work. I'm not gonna start it just because it's the middle of the day. Well, and my dad just went to bed. Uh-oh. Come on, low light. So, oh, works great after he doesn't connect to the tank again. It makes it an open circuit. There we go. That's not permanent. Like I said, I'm gonna want to buy new connectors so they work. But yeah, new gas line and everything. Everything's just so dirty because the wind must blow through here like crazy. Oh, and that fell off because why wouldn't it? So sometimes it stops at 1/8. Sometimes it doesn't. I find when it runs, it says the right fuel level. But yeah, if you can actually hear it. Here, I'll put the camera over here so you can hear it. So, yeah, but I think it just needs to be ran. I think the sending units might also be dead because that's the left tank. That should be empty, but it might need fuel to soak up a sponge. It might be stuck. So I really don't know yet. So that's all I got there. But I do know that that works, and my dash lights all work. Of course it's bright, but it's daylight so you won't be able to see, but they all work. Oh, see, now it's below 1/8. See how it's below 1/8? That's because it's had fuel in it, and that probably is the right level. And then when you switch it, it kinda goes up per se. I think I might be losing it. But yeah, so that's where I'm at the moment. I had wipers, but now they don't work. My high beam indicator works though, so that's good. So just wiring, man, it sucks. Really, really sucks. So I'm hoping a ground didn't fall loose and behind there. I can actually see them and they look fairly okay through the crack there. But that's where I'm at the moment, so. Yes,